If you're looking to speed up your internet for really easy, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to be doing a method where we're going to be changing our computer DNS into the 1111 DNS by Cloudflare. Now, the 111 DNS is a pretty well-known DNS, and it's one of the most fast DNS out there. It's faster than the Google public DNS and anything under the Cisco umbrella. Now, you can see this is what the DNS, the average query speed is like. So how do we set this up? We're going to go to the search bar and we're going to find something called control panel. Just type in control panel. Now on control panel, you want to go to network and internet. On network and internet, go to network and sharing center. Now on here, you want to go to change adapter settings. On change adapter settings, go to Wi-Fi. You want to go to properties. On properties, you want to go to DNS, right? So which is the IP4 internet protocol here. Just double click that. Now on here, if you first open this up, it'll be like this, right? So obtain DNS server address automatically and this will be grayed out. But if you want to change it to DNS, the 1111, just tap on this and then just type in 1111 and then 1001. And then after that, just click on OK and that's it. You're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.